Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy baby Doge on Coinbase wallet. As you can see on the market there of baby Doge, there's no option of Coinbase, but you can actually just swap it via PancakeSwap or Uniswap on Coinbase wallet. So you want to go to your Coinbase wallet and make sure you have some assets like Ethereum or USDT, so you would be able to swap it. Now you want to click on browser and you want to go ahead and search for a PancakeSwap or Uniswap. So let's use, for example, PancakeSwap as it's the main market. Now, as you can see, it is already connected. So you want to choose Ethereum network. Make sure to do this because Baby Doge is on Ethereum network. Now you want to go ahead and click trade now. And from if you want to go ahead and search for baby Doge. From here, you can either paste the address of baby Doge from CoinMarketCap or just go ahead and search for it. Here is baby Dogecoin. Now you enter the amount which you want to go ahead and spend, and you will see how much you will get of the baby Doge and all of the fees. And that's how you do this. That's how you swap it. After that, you will be able to see it on your Coinbase wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.